Pastor Daron,
Yes, Arnie.
out in the paddock, out the back here. I've got some animals. There's a black one and a brown one and a spotted one.
What are they?
What do you think they might be? We actually ride them.
Ride them?
Yeah.
Horses?
Yeah. Can you make a horse?
I'll make you a black one.
A black horse?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Black Beauty.
Black Beauty.
Yeah.
Again, light up your balloon about the same size for a poodle, halfway up. Soften it. Tie it off. So I'm going to start by making two soft, fuzzy lips. Horses have soft, fuzzy lips.
Two soft, fuzzy lips.
That's right.
Like mine.
Bit like yours, but a bit softer.
Right.
I'm going to do two pinch twists right at the end of the balloon.
Okay.
To make the lips. One. Pinch again. Okay, there are two soft, fuzzy lips.
Very good.
Like that. Face. So a bubble for the face.
Right.
And a lock twist for the ears.
Lock twist.
So it's about 2-3 centimetre bubbles, 4 centimetre bubbles, lock twist together for the ears. Another bubble for the neck. And now comes the interesting part.
Okay.
I'm going to give this horse a plaited mane. Do you plait your horse's manes?
I do sometimes. When take them to shows. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to make a series of bubbles, a series of 6 bubbles. 1, 2, 3,
5,
4,
6,
5, 6. You'll see when I twisted those, I twisted about 5 or 6 times. Because when I rolled it over the head, I don't want them to come undone. So each of those bubbles I've rolled about 5 or 6 times. Then lock the first and the last bubble together to lock them together.
Right.
I have a loop of bubbles here. And now I'm going to bring those bubbles up over the ears to form the mane.
Okay. So you need to be careful again.
Carefully, you could bust it right here.
So you've done it? Good.
We have the first 2 bubbles at the front form the eyes.
Right. I was wondering how you're going to get the eyes because you can't write it on.
That's right, it's a black balloon.
Yeah, you wouldn't see it.
But then the 4 bubbles at the back form the mane. And then simply a lock twist for the front legs. 2 bubbles. The body.
Right.
And another 2 bubbles lock twist together for the back legs. Leave a tail.
It's a horse. Yeah, my voice is a bit hoarse.
There you go, a black horse for your farm.
Fantastic. Won't have to feed this one much. Be cheap.